travelers and dreamers, welcome to another exciting episode of Travel Inspiration. In today's video, we are taking you to one of the most magical countries in the world, and the name is Switzerland. A land where every corner looks like a painting, where the mountains kiss the sky, where the lakes reflect the clouds, and where every street feels like a fairy tale. So if you are planning to visit Switzerland in 2025 or just dreaming of the perfect travel destination, this video is for you. So let's dive into the top 10 most beautiful places to visit in Switzerland in 2025 with full details, reason on why they are truly unforgettable. So the first one is Zermatt and the Matterhorn. Zermatt is not just a destination, it's a dream especially for nature lovers and adventure seekers. So basically it is located at the foot of the famous Matterhorn mountains. This is where pure magic happens. Do you know you will find here a cute wooden chalets, fresh air and no cars. Yes, Zermatt is a car-free town. The beauty here feels unreal, especially during sunrise or sunset, where the mountains turn golden. My dear audience, in 2025, Zermatt is offering more sky views, cable cars rides, and unique glaciers hiking experience. So whether you are cycling, hiking, or just taking photos, it's an unforgettable place to start your Swiss adventure. So the next place is Lake Geneva and Montreux. Lake Geneva is one of the Europe's biggest and most beautiful lakes. Basically, its calm Turkish water with snow-covered mountains in the background looks like a painting. Do you know around the lake, the city of Montreux has a romantic vibe. The lakeside walk is full of flowers, cozy restaurants, and luxury hotels. Do not miss the Chalian Castle located right on the lake edge. It's one of the most photographic places in the Switzerland. Every July, Montreux hosts the world-famous jazz festival where music meets nature in the best way. So the next one is Lucerne and Mount Pilatus. If you are looking for a place straight out of a postcard, it's Lucerne. Basically, it's a beautiful old town with wooden bridges, historical towns, and peaceful lakeside view. The Keppel Bridge is the oldest covered wooden bridge in Europe and feel like walking sides a storybook. From here, you can take the world's steepest cable railway to Mount Pilatus, a breathtaking mountain with panoramic views that will stay with you forever. In 2025, expect new skywalks and adventure zones that makes Pilatus even more exciting. Okay, the next one is Reni Falls. Imagine a waterfall so powerful that you can feel the ground vibration. That's Reni Falls, the largest waterfall in the Europe. You can take a boat ride that brings you right under the falls, letting you feel the mist and hear the roaring power of the nature up close. Nearby, the Luffian Castle gives you a medieval touch to the experience, making it perfect for both adventure and photography lovers. So the next one is Interlaken and Jungfraujoch, the top of the Europe. Interlaken is the adventurous capital of Switzerland. Basically, it lay between two lakes and surrounding by mighty mountains. This town is full of thrills. Visitors can enjoy everything from paragliding to skydiving and scenic train rides. The biggest highlight is that the Jungfraujoch, also known as the top of Europe, you can take a scenic train through mountains and glacier to reach the highest railway station in Europe. Do you know the 360-degree view from the snow Pelita feels like standing on the roof of the world? Okay, the next one is Zurich. Beauty meets modern life. Zurich is not only beautiful but also one of the most peaceful and well-designed cities in the world. Walking along the Benford trees, exploring art, museum, enjoy luxury shopping or relaxing by the river, Zurich has it all. You can even enjoy traditional Swiss chocolate workshops here. In 2025, Zurich is set to the host major cultural festival and technology fairs, making it a mix of nature, art, tech and lifestyle. The next one is Lauterbrunnen, the valley of 72 waterfalls. This is literally heaven on earth, a green valley surrounding by giant cliff with waterfall falling down. Do you know Lauterbrunnen is a magical place with 72 waterfalls, traditional Swiss houses and the famous fall? You feel like you are walking in a dream. This place is also a gateway to mountains village like Muri and Wengu, perfect for enjoying village life in Switzerland. The next one is Grindelwald, with charming wooden houses covered in flowers and surrounding by sharp mountains peak. Basically, Grindelwald is a perfect for scenic hiking, photography or even just relaxing with hot chocolate. In 2025, new adventure activities like mountain carts and cliff walk are being added, making it even more more thrilling place. The next one is Glacier 3000. These spots bring you face to face with glaciers and ice peak all year around. There is a thrilling peak-to-peak suspension bridge that let you walk between two mountains peaks high above the ground. You can enjoy dog sliding, snow walking and breathtaking views over the Alps. So the next one is Bern, the heart of Switzerland. Switzerland capital Bern has a historic old town that is UNESCO World Heritage Site. You will find beauty, medieval buildings, old clock towers and a hidden alleys full of color and charm. Do you know, my dear audience, in summer the locals even swim in the river that runs through the city. Such a unique lifestyle. So if you like to enjoy the village life, the natural beauty, if you need peace in your life, you should have to visit this place. Believe me, if you visit the Bern, you will never forget it. So basically, Switzerland is not just a country, it's a masterpiece designed by nature itself. Basically, it's a place where everything feels soft, calm and breathtakingly beautiful. From the towering snow-capped peak to the sparkling Turkish lake, from the peaceful mountain village to the modern vibrant city, everywhere you look, Switzerland make you feel in love. Every single destination we talk about today, be it the magical like Zermatt under the shadow of the Matterhorn, the peaceful lake Gervina lined with flower and history, or the adventure-filled landscape of Interlaken and Zugvogel. Each place has something unique to offer, something you can't touch but you can feel. A whisper of the wind, the sound of waterfall and the view of endless snow tails. In Switzerland, every moment become a memory. But there is still a question. What makes Switzerland truly special is not just the landscape, it's the balance. Basically, the harmony between tradition and modernity, the people who greet you with warmth and kindness, their respect for nature and their passion to preserve every forest, glacier and waterfall. The way they slow down, enjoy a cup of coffee by the riverside or taking a peaceful walking along a lake, it teaches us something priceless. That life is not only about rushing, it's about savoring the quiet moments, the beauty around us, the silence with us. So my dear travelers, Switzerland call to the dreamers, the wanderers, the soul searchers. So basically, it's a place where you can sit by a window watching snowflakes fall and feel like your heart just look and took a deep breath. It's a place that shows you magic is real, beauty is everywhere and peace is possible. So pack your dreams, wear your smile and let this beautiful country welcome you with open arms, because in 2025 Switzerland is not just a destination, it's a journey toward nature, toward peace and even into your own beautiful soul. So that's for today, my dear audience. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you or made you dream even for a moment, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next destination. Until then, keep traveling, keep dreaming and keep exploring the life. So my dear travelers, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next video. Keep watching, stay tuned. Bye bye.